Welcome. In front of me is a FreeYond M6, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So to get started, we're gonna select our desired language from the list right here. Now for me it already did select the correct one, so I won't be really changing anything. Now once you have selected your language, click on Start. Next, it asks you to insert a SIM card. Now this step is completely optional, and you don't need to do it. The reason it shows up here is it's one of the ways that you can connect to the network. And by connecting to network, you get the option to sign into Google account. And additionally, you also have the option to restore from a backup, and date and time is set automatically. Now, if you choose to skip both of those, that's not gonna, Google accounts won't show up, restore won't be accessible, and date and time won't be set automatically. Now I will be setting it up offline. You can also see it actually shows you this info right here. So it's basically everything that I said. Next, on the next page, we have the Google services. We have things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now let's be honest, this is Google, so by disabling this, it probably means F all, considering Google always gathers data even without your permission. So, I don't know, doesn't really matter. Anyway, next we have a way to protect our device. Now we have screen lock as an option right here, and by default it opts into a pin, 4-digit pin, but you can tap on more options and choose something like a pattern or password as well. And if you don't want to protect your device at all, you can select skip and skip. Now additionally, you do have a fingerprint sensor on here, so if you want to use the fingerprint sensor, you would need to add some kind of screen lock pin pattern password. And as you can see, this abruptly finished up the setup, so that's basically it to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.